Hello guys, this is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you how to charge your Hyundai plug-in hybrid. Specifically right now I am in a 2025 Tucson plug-in hybrid and I am going to show you how to do that. Remember that the plug-in hybrid, at this time that I am recording the video, you can charge with the level 1 charger that is available when you buy the car, or the level 2 charger that you can use at charge station or you can install in your home. So I am going to show you with the level 2 charger that we have here in our dealer. So first of all, you need to unlock the car, then open the cap for the electric charging station, and then you open this, and then I am going to take the charger. So I am going to take this, and then I go here, and then I am going to plug in, and then wait a few seconds and you will hear a sound. So you heard that said charging started, and right now the car is charging, and as you see this light is blinking and the car is locked. So when the car is locked, when you charge, automatically the car locks, right? And if you see here, you see that, let me show you from here, you see that the car is charging, right? And then you can take a look the charging feature using seeing in the screen or using your BlueLink app, right? And then how you start to remove the charger in case you need to do something. So you need to unlock first, and then you can remove the charger, and then you just place the charger in the place, and then you just cover this, close this, and that's it. You are ready to drive. Alright, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.